In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pair your Whoop 4.0 to your phone. It's very easy and straightforward to do, but pay close attention to make sure you get every step correct. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure that your Whoop is off your wrist. This is because we're going to have to open it up. Now once it's off your wrist, you want to wait for about 15 seconds for the green lights on the bottom to stop shining. And once they've stopped shining, you know that it's ready to be paired. Now one thing I'd note is that if you've just got this out of the box for the first time, the chances are it's not going to be charged. So you need to charge it for 10-15 minutes to initially for it to actually start working for you to be able to pair it. So make sure you charge it. If you want to see how to do that, I've got another video about that. So now that we have got it off our wrist, we basically just want to double tap it. And we want to keep double tapping it until a blue light shines. So keep double tapping it until you see the blue light. Now for me, mine is already paired, so when I double tap it, it will just show green. There you go, you can see that the light shines up there. But if you've not paired it, it should show a little blue light there. Now also one tip is that if you're struggling to pair it, you might want to undo it like this and just tap the actual device itself rather than through the material. So now that we've gone ahead and put it into pairing mode, it's time to go onto our phone and connect it. So now what you need to do is go into your Whoop app, and on the bottom right of the screen, there should be 3 lines and it should say more. I'll try and show it to you here. It should say more. And if click on that, and then you want to scroll down to where it says device settings. And then from there should be a button that says pair. So once you click the pair button, you can then tap on the device again, make sure it goes into pairing mode with the blue light. And you should be able to, from there, click it, and it should pair up basically like that. And it's pretty simple to do. Now, make sure it's charged, because if it's not charged, then you won't be able to link it up. That's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.